Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 1216, how to convert decimal hours, minutes, or seconds to time, and vice versa. We have a couple of examples here. The first is converting Excel time to decimal hours, and the second, convert decimal hours to Excel time. It's pretty straightforward. We have Excel time, which is 1. We have 1 a.m. The result is C5 times 24. That the result would be 1/24 of an Excel hour. 2 would be 2 times 24, which is 2 a.m. times 24, which represents 0.0833 of an hour. And this is confusing because right now you're thinking C6 times 24, that should be 48. This is Excel time. This is not human time. We have to think in terms of what the translation over to Excel time to decimal hours. This represents D6 divided by 24 represents what? Well, 2 divided by 24 is our representation of time. That represents 0.083 of a day. That translates to 2 a.m. in Excel's calculations. If we move down a ways, let's take a look here. We want to convert Excel 9/13/12 to hours. What's going on here? We have 45.22 hours. This number here represents 1.8842 days. How can 9/13/12 p.m. represent 45 hours when it should represent 12, which would be 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then add 9 in 13 minutes and 12 seconds. That should be 22, 23, 24. That should be 24, 13, 12. Take a look. Here's our structure, 9 a.m. C9, 9 a.m. We just have time here. Time. But sometimes we get in a hurry. You notice it's 12:30 a.m. and it just shows 30. We're not representing the 12. We're just showing 30 because that's the first portion of the day. Just 30, and that's what Excel counts. Now, if we go up to here in the C10, if we look at the bar, we're going to go, what? Well, yeah, there's a typo. Remove the typo. There's the difference. 9:13 p.m. Think of 12. So the day starts at 12 a.m. At 12 noon, that's 12 hours. Then 9 a.m. is what? 9 hours? So 12 plus 9 is 21. And then we have 13:12, which is 13 minutes and 12 seconds. That's converted into 21:22. And that represents what percentage of the day? 0.8842. If you look at the next example just below, we have 12:30 a.m. in the formula bar. What does that say? It's just the first 30 minutes of the day. The result is 0.5. If it's 0.45, it shows 0.75. If it goes 0.59, 98. 101, we have 1 hour and 0.02 seconds. Up here, this 1 hour represents 1 hour. 1 a.m., 1 hour. This represents two hours. 4:15, that means 4.25% of the day. 6.35, 9:13/12 p.m. represents what percentage of the day? We want to convert decimal hours to Excel time. Well, 1 hour is what? It's 0.042 of a day. Well, look, 1, just do this, equals 1 divided by 24, 4.12667. We can extend this, it's 4167. We have 6.6 hours equals 6.6, divide this by 24, 0.275. And then 48, that's 48 hours, which is represented by 2 days. Excel will read 2 as what? 48 hours. Excel will read 1 as 24 hours. Excel will read 2 as 2 hours. That's the conversion. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.